The mighty world of tiny creatures. Ants may be tiny, but they are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. From building complex colonies to farming their own food, ants have behaviors and skills that rival even human civilizations. Found in nearly every corner of the world, these insects are strong, social, and incredibly intelligent, all in bodies barely the size of a grain of rice. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible facts about ants that will surprise and maybe even amaze you. Let's begin. Fact number 1. Ants are incredibly strong. Ants might be small, but their strength is truly mind-blowing. An average ant can lift 10 to 50 times its own body weight. That would be like a human lifting a car with ease. Their compact bodies and strong muscles allow them to carry food, leaves, and even other insects back to their colony. Next time you see an ant hauling a giant crumb across your kitchen floor, just remember, it's basically a tiny superhero in action. Fact number 2. Ants are everywhere on Earth. Ants are some of the most widespread insects on the planet. Certain species, like army ants, can form living bridges and even rafts using their own bodies. They connect to each other, forming chains that allow other ants to cross water, gaps, or obstacles. These are chemical signals that ants release to give instructions or share information. For example, when a worker finds food, it lays down a scent trail so others can follow it. One of the most astonishing examples is the Argentine ant supercolony in Europe, which stretches over 6,000 kilometers across multiple countries. It functions as one giant, interconnected society, with ants from different nests recognizing each other and cooperating seamlessly. Pheromones also help ants warn of danger, attract mates, or organize their daily work. It's like a natural form of Wi-Fi running through the colony. Some species invade neighboring colonies, capture their ants, and force them into slavery. Others spray acid or venom to defend their territory. Army ants, in particular, travel in aggressive swarms that can overpower leafcutter ants. For example, don't eat the leaves they collect. Instead, they use them to grow a special kind of fungus, which becomes their main food source. From strength and strategy to farming and communication, ants display behaviors that are almost hard to believe. Whether you love nature, science, or just cool facts, these creatures prove that sometimes the most amazing things come in the tiniest packages. They tend their fungal gardens carefully, protecting them from mold and pests, and even using natural antibiotics. It's an advanced form of agriculture, run by insects, and devour insects, spiders, and even small animals in minutes. In the ant world, it's survival of the fiercest. These bridges are not only functional, but can also change shape as needed. This level of cooperation is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom, and even rarer among insects. With over 12,000 known species and possibly many more yet to be discovered, ants live in nearly every ecosystem, from deserts to rainforests. They can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Whether you're in the city or the jungle, there's a good chance you never more than a few meters away from an ant. Fact number 3. Queens rule the colony instead. They sense vibrations through the ground using their legs. This helps them detect predators, changes in the environment, and even communicate with other ants in their colony. It's their way of hearing, not through sound, but through the subtle tremors of the world around them. Every ant colony has one central figure, the queen. She is the sole egg layer, producing thousands, even millions of eggs over her lifetime. Some species queens can live up to 30 years, spending most of their life underground, producing thousands of offspring. This long lifespan is rare in the insect world and ensures the continuity and success of the colony for decades. While the workers take care of building, foraging, and protecting the nest, the queen remains in a hidden chamber, focused entirely on reproduction. Some queens can live for up to 30 years, making them some of the longest-living insects on Earth. Fact number 4. Ants don't have ears, but they hear. Ants don't have traditional ears like humans or animals. Fact number 5. Some ants build living bridges, One of the most amazing things about ants is their teamwork. Fact number 6. Ants communicate with chemicals. Ants don't use words, but they're constantly communicating through pheromones. Fact number 7. Ant colonies can be massive. Ants don't just live in small groups. Some colonies have millions of individuals, all working together. Fact number 8. Ants are fierce fighters. Don't let their small size fool you. Ants can be deadly warriors. Fact number 9. Queens can live for decades, while most worker ants live just a few weeks or months. Queen ants enjoy long lives. Fact number 10. Ants are nature's first farmers. Believe it or not, ants were farming long before humans ever did. Tiny insects, huge impact ants may be small, but their world is vast, intelligent, and endlessly fascinating. So the next time you spot an ant marching across the sidewalk, remember, there's a whole universe beneath your feet. If you found these facts fascinating, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about animals, science, and nature. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads, because trust me, the world of insects is just the beginning. Let us know in the comments, which ant fact surprised you the most?